Hello everyone, welcome to Zoom in Data. In this DP 600 course, you'll learn Microsoft Fabric from an analytics engineer's perspective, focusing on data modeling, DAX, performance optimization, governance, and building end-to-end analytics solutions. This series is designed to help you prepare for the interview while gaining practical, real-world skills. At Zoom in Data, we simplify complex data concepts through clear, structured learning to help you grow faster in your data career. Row-level security, or RLS, controls which rows of data each user can access in a Power BI report. It allows the same report to display different data to different users based on their permissions. RLS is commonly used when users should only see data related to their region, department, or business unit. It improves data security by restricting access at the data model level. Organizations often have users who should access only a specific portion of business data. Regional managers may need to see only their region, while executives may need broader access. Without RLS, users with report access could potentially see data outside their responsibility. RLS provides centralized and consistent control over data visibility. Static RLS applies a fixed filter to a role, such as allowing access to one specific region. Dynamic RLS determines the appropriate data based on the logged-in user's identity. Static RLS is easier to configure, but requires separate roles for different groups. Dynamic RLS is more scalable, because one role can support many users. RLS roles are created in Power BI Desktop using the Manage Roles feature. A filter expression is defined on the table that contains the security attribute. For example, a region column can be filtered to allow access only to a specific region. The role can then be tested in Power BI Desktop before publishing the report. Static RLS uses a predefined filter such as region equals south. Users assigned to that role can access only records matching the configured condition. Multiple roles can be created when different groups require different data access. Static RLS is suitable for smaller organizations or limited security requirements. Dynamic RLS uses the identity of the logged-in user to determine which data should be visible. The user principal name function can be used to identify the current user. A security mapping table can connect user email addresses with regions or departments. Dynamic RLS allows one security role to manage access for many users. A security mapping table stores the relationship between users and the data they are allowed to access. It can contain fields such as user email, region, department, or business unit. Relationships between the security table and model tables allow filters to propagate. This approach makes dynamic security easier to maintain as users and permissions change. RLS should be tested carefully to confirm that users see only authorized data. Power BI Desktop provides View as functionality for testing different roles. After publishing, role behavior should also be validated in the Power BI service. Testing should include both authorized and unauthorized access scenarios. After publishing the report, RLS roles are managed through the Power BI service. Users or security groups are assigned to the appropriate roles. Role membership determines which filtered data each user can access. Using security groups makes administration easier for large organizations. Row-level security, or RLS, controls which rows of data each user can access in a Power BI report. It allows the same report to display different data to different users based on their permissions. RLS is commonly used when users should only see data related to their region, department, or business unit. It improves data security by restricting access at the data model level. Row-level security restricts data access at the RAW level based on defined security rules. Static RLS uses fixed filters, while dynamic RLS uses the current user's identity. Security mapping tables make dynamic access scalable and easier to manage. Proper testing and role assignment are essential for secure Power BI solutions. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected and contact Zoomin Data for more content on Microsoft Fabric and DP600. At Zoomin Data, we focus on clear, practical learning to build job-ready data skills. Follow Zoomin Data for the full series and more insights.